Jai Hind students, dear students, today we will discuss about the decomposition reaction. See, decomposition by name it indicates that something will decompose. Means it is a chemical reaction in which one reactant molecule will decompose to form two or more than two new product. Means one molecule will break into two or more than two substances. Okay, and in this video we are going to discuss about the thermal decomposition, photochemical decomposition and electrolytic decomposition. Means if you want, then you can tell that decomposition reaction can be categorized into thermal decomposition, photochemical decomposition and electrolytic decomposition reaction. Okay, first we will see one example. Suppose CaCO3, this is solid calcium carbonate. By heating it will convert into CO2, which is gas, plus CaO, calcium oxide, which is solid. Please see, this reaction will take place in the presence of heat. Okay, so this is said to be the thermal decomposition reaction, means which will decompose in the presence of heat, which will break into two or more than two parts in the presence of heat, HGO, by heating. This is the symbol of heat, so it will convert into 2Az plus O2. This reaction is given by the Priestley to discover the oxygen. Priestley, the scientist Priestley, to discover the oxygen, he had given this reaction, same reaction. Okay, by the heating the mercury to oxide, we are getting mercury plus oxygen. So which kind of reaction, my dear? This is the thermal decomposition reaction, because these both reactions occur in the presence of heat. So you can tell that thermal decomposition reaction are the reactions which are proceed in the presence of heat. Okay, now photochemical decomposition reaction. So in case of photochemical decomposition, you can see this photon. Photo means photon. Photo word came from the photon. Photon means energy of sunlight, which is equal to h nu. This is the energy of the photon, which is also h quanta. Actually, the fall of sunlight on the system is not continuously, it is discontinuously, and it is coming in the form of bundle of energy. That bundle of energy is said to be the photon or quanta, which have the energy is equal to h nu. E is the energy of the photon, that is incident light, h is the Planck constant, nu is the frequency. So energy is directly proportional to frequency, that is the another matter. Come on the photochemical decomposition reaction. My dear students, suppose you have AgBr. So by in the presence of sunlight, it will break into 2Az plus Br2. Now it is the balanced reaction. Okay, my dear. Similarly, you can think some more reactions. Suppose AgBr here. Now if we will discuss about AgCl. So what will happen in the presence of photon you may write, or you may write sunlight, yeah, or you may write h nu. Okay, so what will happen? This is 2Az plus Br2. Similarly, this is photochemical decomposition reaction. That is why I am not going to give the photosynthesis. That photosynthesis reactions is also in the presence of sunlight, but that is not decomposition. Okay, that is why I am not giving. Now next one is the electrolytic decomposition. Third is electrolytic decomposition reaction. Dear students, this electro, that is which occur in the presence of electricity, For example, with this is electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic means in the presence of electricity which occur, means suppose we will discuss about the water molecule, then by electrolysis it will break into